All right, this time we'll go on and we're going to do some more practice. Tenses, almost we done the first 8 tenses, so we'll just do some speaking practice of them from time to time. And in the next class, I'll teach you future and all 4 future tenses, right? But now we are going to have some practice. I'll give you some incomplete sentences and you have to complete them. Okay, for example, you're going to make 2 conversations, not 1 sentence, 2 complete conversations with I want to. For example, you say, I want to learn English because English is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. I want to travel to some foreign countries and there people speak English and my English is not so good. That is why I want to learn English. Just go on. Okay, don't say I want to learn English. That's it. You need to go on and on and on. I want to expand my business because I've got great opportunity to expand my business because I've got very good customer, customer clientage. I've got a very good clientage and people like my product. So therefore, I want to expand my business so that I could give employment opportunities to more people, right? Or I want to go to foreign countries because I love traveling. Whenever I go to a foreign country, I meet different people, I learn about their culture, and I like this thing very much. Therefore, I want to travel to other countries. So, a complete conversation, only 2 items. Okay? Yeah, that's good. We'll start from you. Please turn the mic here. पसीना आ रहा है, अभी तो हमने एसी चला ली है. Okay? ये इंग्लिश वाला पसीना है. Okay? Yeah, जो इंग्लिश बोलने से आता है. Yes. I want to, yeah.
I want to travel Balochistan.
I want to travel to Balochistan.
I want to travel to Balochistan because Balochistan is a part of our country and it has rich in nature. And
it is rich in
nature. It is rich in nature, and what we can say that it is among those areas which are still unexplored, and the beauty of their land is still reserved. So we can enjoy the nature as compared to other areas which are crowded and people spoil their natural beauty. And
okay, this is fantastic. One more item. All right, that's fine. Okay, next one, please.
I want to travel Dubai.
I want to travel to Dubai.
I want to travel to Dubai because there is high-rise buildings.
There are high-rise buildings, or you can call them skyscrapers. There are many skyscrapers.
I like these buildings. Also, there is also opportunities for business.
Yeah, there are many business opportunities there.
And there is also no corruption.
Yeah, there is no corruption.
No corruption. And we can easily doing business.
We can easily do business.
We can easily do business.
Or instead of do business, you can say we can easily establish our business.
And also security is very good there.
So for all these reasons, I want to go to Dubai or UAE. Yeah. Good job. Very good. Next one, please.
I want to travel to Turkey.
Okay.
Because Turkey has natural place.
Many natural places or natural beauty, natural spots.
Natural sport, and they have many history. Many museum.
They have different museums. There are the graves of many prophets there.
And there are mountain green.
There are mountains,
green
yeah.
Mountain. And
okay, I love Turkey. That's why I want to go there. Good job. Next, please.
I want to travel many countries.
I want to travel to many countries.
I want to travel to many countries because I like traveling. I want to learn their languages. I want to taste their traditional foods, their traditional dresses and everything. I like to meet. I want to meet different peoples in different countries. Uh, that's why I want to learn English.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. That's good. Next one, please.
I want to go to Turkey because my favorite actor like Injan Tan, Isra Biljik
Live there.
live there. I want to meet them uh, and uh, 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 Turkey has natural weather. It has so many a big amount of forest and
There is a vast forest area. Vast forest area in Turkey.
vast
Forest area.
forest area and rivers. uh, it it has many Islamic historical places like Istanbul and etc. So
So that is why I want to go there. All right, good. All right, now we'll go on once again, and this time I'll give you a product, and you have to give a little demonstration on that very product, right? So for now, I mean, this is what we call tell and show. What do we call it? Tell and show. You will talk about something and you will show that thing as well. So, for example, when we are going to go on with tell and show, say, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Asad Yaqub, and in today's tell and show, I'm going to tell you about my bottle. I purchased this bottle 3 weeks ago, and the good thing about this bottle is that it keeps the hot things hot and the cold things cold. But that doesn't mean you put hot and cold together. Okay, exactly. And I purchased this bottle because whenever I go outside, sometimes the glasses are not so clean, and sometimes even the water quality is not good. They have tap water and all that, and I prefer to drink at least bottled water. So that's why I purchased this bottle. And every time when I leave home, I take it with me, I fill it up, and if it gets empty somewhere, then I try to fill it up again. If the water is available, then I just fill it up, otherwise I buy some water. This bottle is quite good. Especially when I'm traveling, like if I have to travel from Lahore to Islamabad and I need some coffee, because I usually drive myself, and while driving you feel sleepy and sometimes you don't feel quite good. So in that case, I use this bottle as a container for hot drinks, and I put some coffee inside and I sip coffee. The good thing about this bottle is, like, you can easily open it. And another good thing is you can lock it as well. Now when I lock it, it will not open, and it doesn't leak. Like many other bottles, it doesn't leak. And one more thing about this bottle, I mean, the cap is just very good, and you can clean it easily. I mean, you can just put a brush and you can clean it easily. So for all these reasons, I like this bottle, and I think I'll keep it for a long time. It's very handy. I can just hold it and it looks good as well. So thank you very much. This was my talent show today. Right? Now it's going to be, yeah? How much is this? Camera band kare? No, no, no. I'll tell you the place where I purchased. I think it was 1,000.
Thank you. Today I am going to tell you about this diary. I have got this diary as a gift from I don't know, from someone. And the good thing is this diary is very handy. I can place it into my pocket, and it is easy to carry this. And why I am using this? Because I have to take some notes to memorize or to remember the things, and it would help me to practice in future. But the good thing about this diary, it has a bookmark, so I can place the mark anywhere which I have some important things, or I need to note down some good things in diary. And it is good to have a notebook, because we can not take notes in mobile, but these for me these are not easily accessible, or not readily available like a notebook. I can turn around the pages and quickly, what I can say that it is quickly accessible for any time. So I would recommend that everyone of us must have a notebook or diary to take down the notes No, thank you very much.
All right, this is very good. Thank you. Good job. Let's go on.
This is a dollar company pen.
Okay.
This made for this made from.
This is made of
This
plastic.
is made of plastic, and this very less weight.
It is very light.
Very
Or
lightweight.
it's lightweight pen, right?
This is very lightweight pen, and everybody can purchase this.
Anybody can purchase
Can
it.
purchase it, and because its price is very low. If you forget anywhere, you are not sad.
Yeah.
Also also good for university and college students.
Okay. It is good for university and college students.
You can also purchase one time too many, no problem.
Okay.
Because the price is very low. It is made in Pakistan, and so you can get too many colors.
Good. You can get it in many colors.
Many colors.
Okay. Try to focus your fluency. Right. After every sentence, you say and then next sentence. Then you say then next sentence. So try to cover this thing. Okay. Otherwise, it's good. Right. Very nice. Next one, please.
I am talking about.
I'm going to talk about.
I'm going to talk about cell phone. This cell phone is it had many benefits.
It has many benefits.
Benefit. We looked at clock time.
We can check the time. What a big benefit, huh? Talking about cell phone and time is what you started with. Okay. Good.
And we can watch movie.
Good. Yeah, we can watch cooking programs on mobile. Very good. And
we can use Facebook, many WhatsApp,
good.
and we record.
Yeah, we can record some
I record,
videos. Yeah.
And camera.
Yeah, it has a camera as well.
The camera, and they have this have many cover, mobile cover.
This mobile has a nice plastic casing.
Plastic,
This mobile has a nice plastic casing. Casing.
And this mobile is very expensive.
Okay. And I like this mobile very
And
much.
I like this mobile. This mobile have
Three cameras. Yeah,
Three
not teen cameras. Okay. At the back of your head, Urdu is functioning. Okay. That happens. All right. That's good. I mean, you are improving. Good job. Fantastic.
Hello, my name is Ali. Welcome to my talent channel.
Good.
Today I'm going to talk about my AirPods. Basically, it's product of Apple company. Apple company made this product for people of users of iPhones. It is very good product. It is very good product. It helps you many time in many situations. You can use it when you are driving a car. You have to just put it in your ear, and when the call is coming to you, you have to touch the headphone, and it will answer the call. And it's very good looking headphone, and it has very good quality. It will connect automatically when you bring it out. It will connect automatically with your phone, with your cell phone. This is good option in it, and it has also it has a very good case with it. When you put it in its case, it will look cool.
All right.
And also when you wear it, you look like a cool man.
Yeah, cool man having
Cool man, yeah, cool man.
iPods as well. Okay.
It's expensive, but it is very good quality, and
it is of very good quality.
It is of very good quality, and it helps you too much.
It helps you too much.
It helps you too much.
Fantastic.
Thank
Very
you.
good, Ali. Good job. Your turn, please.
My name is Waleed Rajput. Today I talk about.
I will talk about.
I will talk about Nike company bag. It has three pockets. One of the big pocket and two middle pocket.
Two medium-sized pockets.
Medium
One
size.
large pocket, two medium-sized pockets.
Two medium size pocket. I use it for university, and I will also use for tourism.
Yeah.
Uh,
I also use it to travel. Or you can say it is my travel bag also.
It is my travel bag also. Uh, uh, when I wearing it,
When I wear it,
my look is attractive.
yeah, I have an attractive look.
I have
I have an attractive look.
I have an attractive look. So I recommended you. You should use one time.
I recommend everyone to use this bag at least once.
At least.
All right, that's good.